WD-40 is a household hero. It loosens bolts, silences squeaky hinges, and even protects metal. But here's the thing. While it's super versatile, it's not a miracle cleaner for everything. In fact, using WD-40 on the wrong items can cause damage, safety risks, or just leave a huge mess. Today, I'll share the 10 things you should never clean with WD-40. Stick around. Number 10 might surprise you.
Never spray WD-40 directly on electronics. It's an oil-based product which can seep inside circuits, causing short circuits or permanent damage. If your gadgets need cleaning, use electronic safe cleaners instead. While it might seem like WD-40 is great for a rusty chain, it actually strips away grease and leaves behind a thin residue. This reduces proper lubrication, causing your chain to wear out faster. Use bike-specific chain lubricants instead. WD-40 can temporarily loosen a stiff lock, but long-term it leaves a sticky film that attracts dust and dirt, eventually making the lock jam worse. Locksmiths recommend graphite powder instead. Never ever spray WD-40 on non-stick pans. It's toxic, not food safe, and it can ruin the pan's coating. Stick to mild dish soap and warm water for safe cleaning. WD-40 can dull, stain, or strip certain paints. If you need to clean painted walls or cars, use appropriate cleaners designed for painted finishes. Some plastics react badly with WD-40, becoming brittle, cracked, or discolored. Always double-check before using it near plastics. Soap and water is usually the safer choice. Your glasses need to be clear, not cloudy. WD-40 can damage lens coatings like anti-glare or scratch resistance. Instead, use a microfiber cloth and lens-safe cleaner. Instruments are delicate and need precise maintenance. WD-40 can warp wood, damage finishes, or gum up valves. Always stick to instrument-specific oils and cleaning products. WD-40 can leave a greasy film on granite, marble, and stone, attracting dust and dulling their shine. Use stone-safe cleaners to preserve those surfaces. This one's crucial. Never spray WD-40 on your skin, or pets to clean or remove sticky substances. It contains harmful chemicals that can irritate skin and cause serious health problems. Use safe alternatives like baby oil for sticky messes on skin.